Welcome to Renewed and Radiant Podcast. This is where we have the real and raw conversations. So if you're ready to rise into the woman you were created to be, you're in the right place. And together we can design a life you love. Welcome back to part 2 of my series on estrogen. So if you've ever walked into your doctor's office with real symptoms, fatigue, weight gain, anxiety, mood swings, low libido, hot flashes, irregular periods, only to be told, well, your blood work looks normal, or you're just getting older, or try sleeping more, or it's just menopause, or here's a prescription for an antidepressant, then this episode is for you. Today we're talking about hormone replacement therapy, the real pros and cons, and the difference between synthetic and bioidentical hormones, and most importantly, how to choose what is best for you. Now, this stems from a WBN member who was really struggling with her hormones. She absolutely could not sleep. She had zero libido, brain fog, and bad vaginal dryness. She even went to her doctor specifically about not being able to sleep, and he told her she just needed an antidepressant. Her response was, "I'm not depressed, I just can't sleep." He had no answers. So she came to me. We tested her hormones. She did some simple shifts and added a couple supplements, and within a couple weeks, she was sleeping beautifully every single night. Ladies, this conversation is loaded with truth, liberation, and a whole lot of empowerment. So let's get into it. Why hormones matter more than you've been told. Here's the truth that no one told us growing up. Your hormones are messengers. They tell every single system in your body what to do. Your metabolism, your sleep, your energy, your mood, weight, skin, libido, digestion, immunity, like literally everything. And when they fall out of balance, especially during your 40s and 50s as estrogen, progesterone, DHEA, testosterone drop, your whole life can feel like it's slipping through your fingers. You wake up tired. You can't lose weight no matter how clean you seem to eat or how much you seem to work out. You feel inflamed, puffy. Your confidence is shaky, and your libido, well, it seems to be on a sabbatical. And you start wondering, is this just the new normal? No, it is not. It doesn't have to be. And you are not crazy. You are not broken. You are not just aging. You are simply hormonally unsupported. And today, I want to help you fix that. Now, if you didn't listen to part 1 of the estrogen series that I shared last time, where I share the most common symptoms of low estrogen and what foods to help with that, then be sure after this to go back and listen to it. Because yes, there are foods that will help support estrogen. And I always recommend test, don't guess with my Precision Wellness panel. Because this is where we check all your hormones, your minerals, what's going on with your brain, your kidneys, your gut, all of those factors. And then we go the most natural route first of adding in delicious foods to support your body's production of the hormones that you actually need so that you're fueling it, not fighting against your body. Now, if you've done that and or your symptoms are more severe, you will probably want to choose hormone replacement therapy. And I understand there's so much conflicting information and talk about hormone replacement therapy out there. It can be really difficult to know what's best. So today, I'm going to try and break it down for you with the pros and cons so you can make your own informed decision. Now, the number one thing I always recommend is testing to see where your hormones are currently at, because guessing just is not smart or safe. Let's test to see exactly what is off so that we can fix it. Now, once you do that, you may choose hormone replacement therapy. For the rest of the talk, I'm going to refer to it as HRT. Let's get into the pros and cons of HRT. What women need to hear. Let's start with the good news. HRT can be an absolute game changer, literally a life changer and a relationship changer. Here's what I see in my practice when I work with women when they do the hormone replacement therapy. Hot flashes and night sweats, virtually gone. Imagine sleeping through the night without waking up drenched or not having that hot flash hit you when you're in the middle of an important meeting. Mood stability, because estrogen supports serotonin and progesterone calms your nervous system. So HRT can bring you back to yourself. And libido comes back to life. And not just libido, but lubrication, comfort, pleasure, confidence. It is amazing. And then easier weight loss and better metabolism because estrogen protects muscle and progesterone reduces cortisol spikes. And testosterone gives you strength and drive. And this is the trio that turns your body back into a fat burning machine. Even when you're over 40, 50, 60, 70. I've seen it in my program. And then better sleep, because progesterone literally works on your GABA receptors in the brain. You sleep deeper, you recover better, and you think more clear. And then there's bone and heart protection. Women are not meant to lose bone density at the rate that we do. So early hormone replacement can reduce bone loss and even protect your heart long term. We talked about that on the last episode. Now, HRT isn't magic, to be clear, but sometimes it feels like it when your body finally has what it needs and you get rid of these symptoms and you feel so amazing. But there are some cons of HRT, and I always share the real and the raw here. I want to go through this with you because empowered women make informed choices. So HRT does have its cons. Let's talk about those. Number one, it is not a one size fits all. And dosing matters. You must work with someone who understands women's hormones. It's not just here, take this and you're done. That's not how it works. You gotta adjust it as you go. There are side effects that can happen at first. Sometimes tender breasts for a week or two. Sometimes bloating or a bit of spotting, maybe a bit of mood swings. These are just temporary as your body adjusts. And depending on what you've been dealing with, it may not be any worse than what you already were dealing with before. And it requires monitoring. This is not a set it and forget it. You need the labs and check-ins to see exactly what is happening as we go through it and as your body adjusts. And then also, not everyone is a candidate. Certain types of cancers, if you've had them, or clotting disorders or heart issues may require alternative strategies instead of HRT. But the biggest con that I have seen is women being given the wrong type and dosage of hormones, which brings me to the part which no one talks about enough, and that is synthetic hormones versus bioidentical hormones. So let's break this down simply. There are two categories of hormones. The synthetic hormones, now these are not molecularly identical to what your body makes. Synthetic hormones are created in a lab and are similar but not identical to your body's own hormones. They bind differently to receptors, which can increase side effects, give you an increased risk of blood clots. They can create stronger or inconsistent hormonal responses. So you don't have that consistency as you would if you were taking one that was more identical to your own hormones. So some examples of synthetic hormones, Premarin is one name. It is actually a horse-derived estrogen. There's also Provera, and many of the traditional oral estrogen pills are synthetic. So what happens with those is they can actually increase your mood swings. Instead of making it better, it makes it worse. So can cause some major bloating. And for the most part, we're trying to get a flat tummy, not make it worse. And then also carry higher risks of blood clots, as well as an increased risk of breast tenderness. So obviously, none of those things that we ideally want. And this is why some women may think that HRT does not work for them, because they were never offered the right form of it. Now, the other option is bioidentical hormones. Bioidentical hormones are structurally identical to your own. Your body recognizes them and absorbs them much better. It uses them more efficiently. And bioidentical hormones are made from plant sources and are molecularly more identical. identical to the hormones that your body naturally produces. And because your body recognizes them, they tend to work more smoothly with your body. You'll have fewer side effects by using bioidentical hormones. Often it gives you more flexible dosing, and also it supports a more natural symptom relief, which around here, we're all about the natural. So some examples of the estrogen bioidentical would be estradiol, a patch or a cream. And then for a progesterone, you want a micronized progesterone, usually taken orally at bedtime. And then testosterone usually comes in a cream or gel when it is bioidentical. And then DHEA is also in a pill form as bioidentical. So these are the hormones that make women say things like, oh, I feel like myself again, or I got my life back, or my marriage is thriving. It's a big one. Or I can think clearly again. I don't feel like I'm losing my mind or getting dementia, or I'm sleeping for the first time in years. The difference is real. Now, I want you to keep in mind, this is a journey. It can take a bit of time. Either one, which you're using synthetic or bioidentical. Of course, I recommend the bioidentical because it's most like your own body, less symptoms, less risks. But this can still take time to adjust and work with your hormones. And that's why inside my Elite Custom Coaching, I include private one-on-one calls to talk about how you're feeling, what's working, what adjustments we need to make. I don't, like your doctor, prescribe something and send you off. We are in contact on a regular basis to be sure you are getting exactly what you need to feel your absolute very best. And then you're on your way. So if this sounds like something you want, I'm doing a crazy deal until the end of this year for anyone that joins my 90-day Elite Customized Coaching to include my Precision Wellness Panel that tests everything from your hormones, your cortisol, your brain, your kidneys, your gut health, as well as your minerals extensively. And I'm including it free when you join my 90-day Elite Customized Coaching, which helps women rebalance their hormones, accelerate their fat loss, boost their energy, build strength, and feel incredible again. It's based on science, strategy, and of course some faith and love in there too. So if that is something that you're interested in and you want to get my full Precision Wellness Panel for free, then reach out to me with the word free, and we will chat about getting you into my 90-day Elite Customized Coaching so that we get you feeling amazing again. So my friend, I just want to remind you that if you're struggling with low estrogen, please know this: you don't have to suffer, and you're not just getting older. There is real, effective help available. Your symptoms are your body asking for support. And when you give it what it needs, everything can change. From simple nutrition shifts to bioidentical hormone replacement, which is both safe and highly effective. Women are reclaiming their energy, their sleep, their libido, their skin, their mood, and their confidence every single day. You are not stuck. You don't need to, and if you're feeling stuck, you don't need to stay there. Your hormones can be restored and your vitality can return because you deserve to design a life you love. Thank you for tuning in today. If this episode spoke to you even in the smallest way, would you do me a quick favor? Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Leave a like or a review because it truly helps the message reach more women who need it. And if someone came to mind while you were listening, share this episode with her. You never know. Your share might be the spark that changes her entire season. I'm grateful you're here, walking this journey of renewal and radiance with me. And until next time, keep choosing to design a life you love.